Hello everyone. Welcome to WP Maps Pro, the best WordPress plugin for adding Google Maps to your WordPress website. The purpose of this video is to show you how to create routes and shows on Google Maps. Important note. Before to create route, make sure that you first assigned location using Add Location. You need to add location information here. Once you added all the location information, click on Save Location button. After that you need to click on Add Route from Google Map plugin. You will see the route information window. Enter the route title. Start location and end location to create a route. Click Save Route. Route direction color can be changed by stroke color, stroke opacity, and stroke weight. Then go Add or Edit Map and scroll down to Route Direction Settings section. Enable or turn on Map Route Directions tab and select the map route to display in your map. Then click Save Map. Map was created successfully. Put this code, it can be used to display the map anywhere. For displaying map we need to add page in our WordPress website. Here the final route map display. It's that simple. I hope you have learned how to create routes and shows on Google Maps. Thanks for watching, see you in the next tutorial.